How Aries signs react in anger. As one of the three fire signs, Aries definitely can burn you if you don't know how to deal with them. They have a short fuse and anger quite easily depending on the situation. They have a passion about life and get frustrated when someone or something stands in their way. While Aries possesses a lot of great qualities, their dark side can come out to play when things don't go their way. While they don't usually provoke people, others can get under their skin or rub them the wrong way pretty easily. They have a stubborn nature, and when they get the short end of the stick in life, they tend to not take things very well. However, even if they get angry quickly, they will soon forget what made them mad in the first place. They are the type to forgive and forget, so don't worry too much if you get on their bad side. They'll come back around soon enough. Aries has very little temper control, pretty much anything can set them off. But what they really can't stand is when it feels like someone is disagreeing with them just to seem like they are unique and special. How dare they? Aries is the only truly special one, right? Right. Throws everything in anger. Aries, you're just as headstrong and opinionated as your fellow fire signs Leo and Sagittarius, but unlike them, your energy and enthusiasm can turn into explosive violence at the drop of a hat. You are a walking time bomb of seething rage, and the more you try to hide it, the more it escapes in unpredictable, volatile mood swings. Aries are not very good at hiding their frustration and can explode out of nowhere, turning into a ranting, raving maniac. When an Aries gets mad, they tend to erupt just like a volcano, and anyone standing around them will get burned by their words. When Aries gets angry, it can be difficult for them to see the bigger picture. They explode without considering ramifications of their words and actions. Words spoken in the heat of anger have ended relationships, and decisions made in the heat of passion have sent nations to war. Those of you who have been on the receiving end of the Aries temper know that if not calmed down, they can even get violent. If you see an Aries angry, it would be good to stay uninvolved. On the positive side, however, they tend to get over it just as quickly and never stay angry for too long, so it is always a good idea to give them some space until they cool off. They'll appreciate you not getting in their face about it. Nothing seems to ruffle you more than a lack of discipline, disloyalty, and decorum. But Arians are also known to go into a rage very easily when challenged. Like wildfires, Aries are always ready to ignite and do so easily. Their rage can last for quite some time, especially if they were betrayed or hurt by a friend or lover. Also, like wildfires and Aries, anger can be intensified by the air signs because using their wit, they can justify and aid in any and all revenge plans, especially Gemini. Likewise, the water signs will attempt to calm you down or eventually put you out if you take it too far. When Aries has experienced hurt, they either immediately deny it or become defensively angry. Don't even make an Aries mad. You probably won't live to tell the tale. When an Aries gets mad, they tend to erupt just like a volcano, and anyone standing around them will get burned by their words. They explode without considering the ramifications of their words and actions. The angry Aries is not someone you want to deal with, especially on the road. They have the worst road rage. Don't touch a female Aries when she's angry, sad, or doesn't know you. You will be yelled at. Thanks for watching the video.